In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam game validating issue. So, let's dive in and get your game running smoothly again. If you've ever faced the frustration of Steam getting stuck on a game validation loop, you're definitely not alone. It can be quite bothersome when you're all set to dive into a gaming session, only to be held back by persistent validation woes. But don't worry, we have a reliable fix that should get you back to your games in no time. First things first, ensure that your Steam client is completely closed. This means not just closing the window but exiting the program entirely. You can do this by going to the taskbar, right-clicking the Steam icon, and selecting Exit. This step is crucial as it ensures that any potential background processes are terminated before we proceed with the fix. Next, it's time to open your File Explorer. Navigate to the Steam directory folder where your Steam program is installed. For most users, this will often be located within your program files on the C drive, typically under C, Program Files x86 Once you're in the Steam folder, you want to search for a specific file named App Cache. The App Cache folder is responsible for storing cache data that could sometimes become corrupted, leading to those frustrating validation issues. You're going to go ahead and delete the App Cache folder. Before you panic, understand that deleting this folder is perfectly safe. The App Cache will be automatically rebuilt by Steam the next time you launch the client, often resolving any issues caused by corrupted files. If you feel unsure, you can copy the folder to a safe location outside of the Steam directory as a backup, just in case. After successfully removing the App Cache, it's time to restart your Steam client. Reopen Steam as you would normally. After launching it, head over to the library section where all your games are listed. Identify the game that's causing you trouble. Right-click the game, select Properties, then navigate to the Local Files tab. There, you'll find an option labeled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click on it to initiate the process. What this does is allow Steam to scan through the game files and replace any missing or corrupted ones. This process might take a while depending on the size of your game, but don't rush it. Be patient. Once the check is complete, see if the game launches without getting stuck in validation. Hopefully, you should now find that the game validating problem is a thing of the past. If you follow these steps accurately, you should be all set to enjoy your games without interruption. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you found this video useful. Happy gaming!